elif and list comprehension conditionals. Can we use elif in list comprehension? Example. Can we include the elif in our list comprehension, in a similar fashion to the code above? For example, an answer like, "Up until now, I have only used if and else in list comprehension."
Python's conditional expressions were designed exactly for this sort of use case.
You can, sort of. Note that when you use syntax like, you are using the ternary form of the if/else operator. If you're familiar with languages like C, this is like the question mark column construct, the ==1 yes column no. The ternary form of the if/else operator doesn't have an elif built in, but you can simulate it in the else condition. This is like saying, so there's no direct elif construct like you asked about, but it can be simulated with nested if/else statements.
Maybe you want this.
If you want to simulate, please consider subscribing.